Thanks.
Hello. Sorry guys, I've still got a fractured foot. Like, look at this. Oh shit, they're stripping it. Oh my god. Come on. We are so close. Oh my god. We're in. We're fucking in. Oh my god. Let's go.
So I've tried to hold off on recording because I'm more into my industrial mechanic-y stuff. I mean, there's a lot of cool old stuff left up in offices, like, you know, old paperwork, little laboratories and stuff. I'll put photos and videos up of that, but this and a few other rooms is main ones I've come back for. So as they were back in 2021, I think, when I last came, not even budged. Roofs fell through a bit. I think a few machines have moved. I'm sure there used to be more things there. Unless I'm in the wrong part of the room, but... So yeah. I believe if you look back on my older videos, you'll probably see this room in a bit better condition. I'll have to repeat this again because I actually weren't recording first time, but any voices you hear through this video, I took you on Matilda, and we got a bandage UK through there. But any hardcore Explore More fans will know I recognise that shot. That was my old cover photo for quite a few years, and I'll post here a little picture of what it used to look like if that were fill screen. And then this is what it looks like now.
Look at the decay.
Now, when I said to you, this is not the most industrial, pornalistic...
Right, do you smell that? It smells like a good Facebook post.
It smells like a good Facebook post. Yeah, make sure you follow these two. If I'm guessing you already follow this guy, Abandoned Jukes. He's got like biggest following. Second biggest following here, look. Team Matilda. But yeah, I'll be getting a lot of photos in here. Because it's spinning with air. Shit, man. This is ace. Just got to watch it because these are absolutely decrepit. Look at that, what he stood on. This man has no fucks to give. Yeah, look at that, even paper's still loaded up there. It's covered in bird shit, but it's still loaded, ready to go. Good old nature coming back in. Yeah, I think I'm just going to take 5 and take all this in. So this is another one of them rooms what I just adore. Some sort of like mixers, maybe for paste to make out paper. Edinburgh Med, shout out Callum. So yeah, I'm guessing paint would have come in here. That's some sort of big mixer. like a water wheel, something to keep it going. Yeah, and that's all tiled on the inside. Not looking forward to going in that room if you can hear. It sounds wet in there, but I do need to go that way. Oh, here we go, that's a better one for you to look at. It's got no fixtures in it, but unless this machine did a different thing. Who knows? Cable junkies, being here. Yeah. Warning, it's strictly forbidden to enter any beater whilst the roll is still in motion. So yeah, a beater, so I'm guessing that metal paste, like I say, for cigarette papers. This video could have easily been 2-3 hours long. At this point I don't know what it's going to be, but oh, that door looks enticing. Oh, of course it does, because it's got my girlfriend there.
Sorry, are you Welsh? No Welsh.
No Welsh allowed. So these are nice little rooms.
I think Welsh people are nice.
I think there were boobies in this room as well last time I come in, you know. I got, oh look, they've been censored, so I don't have to do it. There you go, free YouTube boobs. I'm just sat chilling on a roof having five. Bit of a drop. That's where we're wanting to get into next. This building down to his left. That's where all big copper balls and good stuff is, but check that for a view. Getting this place back in action, yeah.
Are you going up?
No. It's just pulling chain. Oh no, it is, yeah. It's going to be a long shift. It's going to be a long shift for Dan. Meanwhile, we've still got this room to explore. Some nice bits in here, including a...
Oh, thank you.
I've just looked through my camera roll and I realised that I hadn't actually recorded a lot. So, this is where we... Jesus! This is where we start getting the minutes in, because I've been a bit lazy on this, just taking photos. But yeah, we've got this mad old little carrier. Don't know what you'd have carried in that, because Oldham's relatively small, so I'm sure he could have just carried it anyway. And there's all wicker baskets. I said this in the last video, my mum would love them. Ooh, a notice about caustic soda. If anybody's bothered about having a little read of that, pause it. So yeah, moss has just took over in this one. Probably going to be the last visit we get here, because they've started taking diggers and that to every other little outer building, what's not really a great importance. The elephant. But yeah, they started bulldozing all lesser buildings, so it'll not be long before they strip this out and do this one too. So we've ventured to most of the best mechanical parts of this place. And now we're going to go to one of the last rooms. Yeah, down this way, love. So I'll take you down. It's a bit dark, but let's go steady down here. No, water's in other bit, but we have found room I've been after. This is so dark. I'll come back when it's a bit light. Oh, we've got light. We have light.
Underneath.
So, first time I come, I got stuck in this room for about 10 minutes because I couldn't find this door. So I swear it used to be behind a big curtain. Oh, God. Struggle my ass on through there. It's a big ass metal door, you probably can't tell yet. The one big ass metal door. I'm coming to a bit of light for you now. More. Yeah. Some Fallout shit, that, if you ask me. If I look at the size of that. And that's where we were earlier when I was saying, look, it's just below us.
Oh, I see that. That's massive.
Mint, innit? Got all this light coming in, so that's going to make for good photos. Security can see through that hole. I heard rumours that, we'll call them junkies because that's a nice way to say it, innit? That they've been coming here and taking wiring and that, and as you can see there's actually wiring just sat there. Hundreds of needles. Half of them are loaded. Like, it's a bit, yeah. Don't hang around here too long. I don't know if you can even hear me right now, but it's a very leaky room yet again. Pipes burst. Water pissing everywhere. Gotta cover our noise at least. Oh yeah. Probably can't tell that now, but there's water dripping down the wall. You see it a bit there. Thanks.
Hello.
So I think that's it. Information by Abandoned UK.
Huh?
Yeah, it does look more modern than.
Yeah, it's probably one of the most modern things, isn't it? Wrapping machine.
Don't know why they'd have bought something to put in here when they knew they were shutting down. Pigeon battle, begin. A few more of it. Working zip machines. I don't know if you can hear them sirens in the background, but hopefully they're not coming through us. Sound pretty close then, don't they? It's getting close. It has. We might be in for a stop and search.
Careful on that, because I've just really slipped twice.
Thank
I
you.
don't need to fall.
We might be in for a stop and search here, guys.
You are? So we're asking if you want to play rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins gets to go out the gate without a shovel. And it's like, we all fail and we all have to stay. I think that's a good way of doing it.
I don't know what should we do? That's good.
Play rock, paper, scissors, bro.
Well, I'm going to check quality counts.
Play I Spy.
Whoa. Even fag ends from back in day. I do think we've been rumbled though, boys.
What?
I think we've been rumbled. Police with a dog. Oh God.
Police with cats.
I can't.
It's like Cosmo, like, ugh.
So, we're not 100% sure if police have come to this site or if security even know we're here yet.
Yeah, because if police were here, they'd be shouting, wouldn't they?
Yeah. Yeah. So, we have done main mechanical bits and we've just come through officers. Fucking hell, man. Damn, son. That's one way to shoot me through. So yeah, we've just come through officers, but I've not bothered recording that.
Amazing shit himself. Playing that
So you can see diggers there. Security, it's just on the other side of that building. We've got a fucking senior alarm system here. All fittings. Direction of on the road.
Yeah, bro, look at Fletchers.
Fletchers down.
We're getting a bit carried away here. See, we've got one way broken leg, one way broken rib, and I've got a broken hand. Join us back after Dan rolls his bag.
How are we not being caught right next to the diggers?
Let's go. I've just said that we're probably jinxed to send now. So these are back to rooms where we started off with. Pretty easy access, to be honest with you. But I don't expect it'll stay this way for long. We have a hut. Try and keep your footsteps down. Sensor, sensor, sensor.
There's a sensor.
Straight over.
Is that above alarm over?
To be fair, we've done what we want. We're going to get caught now anyway.
Yeah. I don't mind getting
It was this way. This is it. This is probably censored up, so this is definitely where we're getting caught. But this is, because it is the Robert Fletchers. It's all got vinylage on side.
Robert Fletcher's what? This is what he used to ride about?
That's workhorse at place. That's what he drove about in. I really don't want to hang about in here too long to get your photos. So as you remember from last time, you can turn lights on, but this is probably what gets us caught. So again, there you go. That's Robert Fletcher Land Rover. Nice switch here. Are we ready?
I feel like I'm doing a video game.
I don't like this now.
You're
I went, yeah, I'm not scared to admit. Oh. Don't, oh God, no, please don't. Oh God, no.
I'll just wait to see how many.
So if you want to see how many miles are on this, check Abandoned UK's video, because I'm not going near it. I've got all my photos from before. I'm just waiting for somebody to come under that curtain.
We're gonna die. Which side?
Just get a phone.
If we're not caught.
If we're not caught.
No, that's okay. We'll try to go.
Is that the colour?
Straight over. Straight over. Yeah.
How do people get caught? There's no sensors in it.
I don't know, it's just his power, so it's probably triggered somewhat. So that's just where we've been up there in Fletchers. This was how you got into canteens and stuff, but it looks like we're not getting in anymore. Nope, locked. There used to be a smashed window you could get through. So maybe try it other side. Yeah, there used to be a window you could just get through. Yeah, that's just all old kitchens and other stuff like that. Yeah, I did. And to be quite honest with you, I don't know where this pit leads. This must be how they drive on, not going through main gates. What's that? Oh, so we're still on. Oh, look, there's pheasants. If we can just make them out here.
Horrible.
So Dan's just checking if there's a way in.
Obviously.
Looks like it's a no-go. But we've got main parts done anyway. We see it.
Please.
What?
Right inside the canoe. Please follow. To the building. No.
See, that's a pretty weird tree as well, isn't it? Oh, there's a full house there.
Is it a full house?
Yeah, there's an house there. It's probably someone's property.
Oh,
I thought it was a squirrel. Oh. You can. Will we get her through though? Go on, see if you can get him. If you can't do it, you can't do it.
What?
Yeah. He's battling the fawns. So he's going to go in, see if he can open one of these other windows for us. So like I said, we're dealing with a broken leg and a chuffing on nearly a boot at face as well then. Nice. Go on, love. So we're into the canteen area. I've been there before. I remember this huge wooden jack of hearts. It takes you into the canteen area where workers would have had the food made. And hot stoves. Mad old mixer. You see these? They used to make signs. I'm sure they used to make signs as well, so this would have been a template for one of like signs they made. Because there's other stuff as well lying about. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty nifty kitchen for a banda. Pretty clean. That was nice and all. There's some good equipment in here. So there we go. I feel like we're not getting messed with, which is quite weird. Nice old big old fireplace. So, first time I ever come.
Took an old bag chocolate.
First time I ever come, we come across river on that first bridge, and one of these windows will broke, middle pane.
Pokemon magnet.
Oh
And steel.
shit, what did you... Oh, nice, the Midlands.
I will always put it on the fridge.
Yeah.
That's some serpent seal.
But yeah, what are the chances of that? And I guess with Dan coming down, it weren't that worth it. I'm gonna get some pictures in here now.
Pokemon hidden middle.
So we're hiding. Apparently there's a man with a dog.
How far away from the road are we?
What do you mean front road?
Hmm?
What do you mean front road?
Like that path. But there again, why would there be a van coming down the path?
There is that house there, where we've just climbed in, there's an house behind.
Yeah, that sounded like it was... What's that?
Snake!
Yeah, that's disgusting.
Right, let's just get out.
Yeah.
Can you not get out that? What that one?
Yeah, let's go out this one. Yeah, you probably can't make that out, but yeah, blue, white, red.
They said there were partnerships with
Like other companies, like around the world.
So we are out the kitchens and all that for Jazzle. Probably going to get caught now, so I think they are aware of that someone's here. Time to find out. Let's leave this rolling. It's probably going to be boring if no it happens, but let's leave it rolling just in case. Drop my phone.
Boom! I'll get the fuck out. Warburtons. Warburton stickers. Cones. Tree. My house is a good one.
Not at all.
Picture of it, I fly.
That security office straight in front of us. So we want to be back up that way if we want to carry on. Oh my god. Yeah, come back this way, it's that security office. That's the security office on the corner.
We're not getting caught to get that out the gate.
Oh yeah, why are we going? Why are we going? Are we done?
Yeah, I'm done.
So we could avoid all this, D. We can just go in the gate.
Oh, go away. We can go in the gate.
I'd admit that.
Yeah.
Oh, they're on.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Sand.
Straight by and just go in the gate. Danger dogs, keep out, all that lot. Van's gone though, which is weird.
That's the van then, what we heard.
So we need to get out and under. So going in the gate failed. That's what we've just been in, guys. It don't really look a lot on camera, but the amount of times I've failed on this place is unreal. Plane.
It's a dangerous.
It's not nice.
It's your job
It's
to
been
keep it
demolished.
Yeah, this is why we've come back.
Yeah.
It's been
This is why we've
demolished.
come back.
And for your safety, for our safety, or anybody else comes, if you get stuck in there, it's going to cause problems.
Well,
Yeah.
so we have been in, so you know, we've been in, we're out now. We've just been
Yeah.
taking photos. Obviously, you know, he said what we were here for.
Yeah.
But it's because we knew we were getting demolished why we're back in our We've just been to the front up, we've tried catching one. When's it? I'm going to put in like lesser buildings before they do this now. That's from all the drainage and stuff, isn't it?
Like I say, it's the demolition part next.